In this video, I will show you how to add a trusted phone number to your iPhone. So let's get started. This additional layer of security helps ensure that only you can access your account even if someone else has your password. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap Apple ID or name at the top of the screen. Next, tap Sign in and Security or Password and Security. Tap Turn on two-factor authentication. Next, tap Edit next to the trusted phone number. Now tap Add a trusted phone number option. You may be prompted to add your passcode or use Face ID to unlock this feature. Enter the trusted phone number and select whether you want to verify via text or phone call. Tap Continue. Now enter the verification code sent to the trusted device. The number will be added to your trusted phone number list. So that is how you can add a trusted phone number to your iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.